Imagine being able to start a YouTube business that generates real income, without ever showing your face, without expensive cameras or microphones, and without hiring a team. Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible, and people are doing it every single day. This isn't just some random side hustle. Faceless YouTube automation is becoming one of the most powerful online business models of our time. Right now, there's a massive wave of creators making thousands of dollars every month from simple faceless videos. And the best part? Most of them are using free AI tools to automate the entire process, from script writing and voiceovers to video editing and thumbnail design. The barriers that once made YouTube hard, like equipment costs, video editing skills, or being comfortable on camera, have completely disappeared. I recently came across a faceless YouTube channel that's getting insane traction. Their niche? AI-generated animal videos, but not just any animals. These are finger-sized, miniature creatures carefully placed on a human palm or fingertip. The visuals are so cute, surreal, and oddly satisfying that viewers can't help but stop scrolling. Their videos are racking up millions of views. And what's crazy is that the channel doesn't use any real footage. It's all AI generated. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these same types of viral videos using only free AI tools. So stick with me till the end of this video so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The first step is getting the right image prompt, and I've made this super easy for you. I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts that you can customize to generate your own unique images. The link is waiting for you in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm show this video to more awesome creators just like you. Now let's jump back in. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description below. Inside, you'll find a pre-written image prompt specifically crafted to generate 4 unique, close-up visuals of finger-sized miniature animals gently resting on human fingers. And if 4 animals isn't enough, you're in full control. Simply edit the prompt directly in the doc. Change the number to however many variations you want. Once you've got your customized prompt ready, head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into the chat, then hit enter, and within seconds, you'll get a list of detailed AI-generated image prompts for multiple miniature animals, all ready to be brought to life using your favorite image generation tool. Now that we've got our image prompts ready, the next step is to generate our images. To do that, we'll be using Ideogram. Head over to Ideogram and create a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the image creation interface. Before generating anything, let's fine-tune the settings. Set the style to realistic to make sure your miniature animals look as lifelike as possible, and adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16 so your images are perfectly formatted for YouTube Shorts or TikTok-style content. Now jump back over to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the input box, hit Generate, and let the AI work its magic. In just a few moments, you'll see 4 beautifully crafted images based on your prompt. Take a close look at the results. Scroll through and pick the one that really stands out to you, the one that best captures the vibe and style you're going for. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and download it directly to your device. Repeat this process for each of your remaining prompts to build a full collection of stunning, high-quality images. The next step is to bring our images to life by turning them into animated videos. And for that, we'll be using Kling AI. Head over to Kling AI and creating an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon and choose Image to Video. This will open up the animation interface where all the magic happens. Upload the first image you generated earlier. To guide the animation and give it context, you'll need a descriptive prompt. Just head back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt you used for that image, then return to Kling AI and paste it. Make sure the sound effects option is turned on. This adds an extra layer of depth to your animation. Next, tweak the settings. If you're on a paid plan, switch the mode to professional for higher quality and more advanced motion. If you're using the free version, no worries. Just select standard mode, which still delivers great results. Then choose your preferred duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how long you want the animated scene to run. Once everything's set, hit Generate and Kling AI will begin animating your image based on the visual and descriptive cues you've provided. In just a few moments, your still image transforms into a dynamic, lifelike animation. Hit Preview and check it out. The motion feels natural, and the sound effects give it that extra spark of energy. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the video to your device. Now repeat this same process for each of your remaining images until you've turned your entire set into a beautiful, engaging series of AI-generated video clips. The next step is to create the perfect background music for our video, and for that we'll be using Suno. Head over to Suno and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, click on the music icon and you'll be taken to the music generation interface. Since we're creating background audio, not a full song with vocals, go ahead and select the instrumental option. This ensures the music stays subtle and doesn't distract from your visuals. Next, to get the perfect music style, head back to ChatGPT and ask it for a music style that fits your video's tone, then hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT will suggest a perfect music style tailored to your content. Copy the music style you like, return to Suno and paste it into the prompt box. Give your track a simple title, then click Create. Suno will now get to work generating your custom soundtrack based on the style you provided. In a few moments, you'll receive 2 unique instrumental tracks that match your video's energy. Give them a listen. Now select the one you prefer and download it to your device. The last step is to bring everything together using editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Head over to CapCut, then click on New Project and import all the animated video clips you generated earlier. Once everything is in the timeline, click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16. Perfect for shorts, TikToks, or Reels. If any of your clips have logos or watermarks, don't worry. Simply select the clip and stretch or zoom in until the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this step for any other clips that need adjustments. Next, let's add smooth transitions between scenes to give your video a more polished flow. Click on Overlays or Transitions, and you'll see a wide selection of options. Pick a transition that matches your style, then hit Apply to All to instantly add it between each clip. Now let's give your video some extra visual flair. Click on Effects, then choose Video Effects. You'll find tons of options here. Pick an effect that enhances your content's vibe, and drag it across the entire timeline to apply it to the full video. Once the visuals are set, it's time to add the background music you created with Suno. Import the audio into your timeline. When everything's in place, play the video from start to finish. If you're happy with the final result, click Export, then increase the video resolution to 4K for the best quality, and download the completed video to your device. Now let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any question in the comment section.